RWFLAME. They gave us this product to try, the portable ice maker. And if you like this product, this video, there's a link to their website on the description below, and you can get a discounted price for that. And also, please don't forget, for those who did not subscribe yet, to click the subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay, we will just make an easy fruit shake. It's a really good combination since it's healthy and nutritious. So I hope you guys would enjoy watching this video. We have here our portable ice maker. As you can see, it's very handy. You can bring it anywhere, like if you want to go out of town and you don't have to go to other place just to buy ice. You just plug it in and then turn the power on. Okay, as you can see, once we turn the power on, it will automatically tells us to add water, and if the ice is already filled. Okay, now it says add water, so we will open this ice machine and fill water over here up to the line where it says maximum limit. Okay, we'll just add one more bottle of water. There you go. It's like 2.5 bottles to reach the max limit. And then we will put the basket inside where it is positioned automatically, and we will wait for our ice machine to do its magic. So we did fill our machine with water to the max, and then we pressed the turn on button again, so the blinking would go away for the add water. Now, after 2 to 3 hours, the light is on ice fill. It means that all of the water that we put inside our machine has turned into ice already. Here you go. And now it's ready. We can make our any beverages we want. So we will be making our pineapple dragon fruit smoothie. First, we will put like 1/2 cup of yogurt into our blender. Next, we will put like 1 to 2 cups of diced dragon fruit. We did roast this one last night, 1,000. Next, we will put like 2 cups of pineapple. We can use the fresh ones or we can freeze it too. Then we will add like a cup of ice to it. Okay, we get our ice here. As you can see, these are nice looking ice. And we will put like a tablespoon of honey just for our shake to be that sweet and naturally good. We will add in like a cup of fresh almond milk. Okay, now that it is done, we will transfer it to our glass. Now we have our refreshing pineapple dragon fruit smoothie. And thank you once again to our sponsor who gave us this ice maker machine. Once again, thank you so much to our sponsor, RWFLAME, who sent us this portable ice maker. It's very handy and you can bring it anywhere, even outdoor, because it has a handle to it. Okay, we will make some more nutritious food in the future. If you like this video and you want us to make more of the delicious and nutritious food and drink, then click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Once again, take care and God bless. Bye.